My friend will make all my chappals bed in the morning so that I cannot wear them. This is the state. My dear friends, rain, rain, and rain. I just wanted to take videos during midnight. I was a little tired and feeling so sleepy. Otherwise, I would have taken some videos during midnight. But I need to get a nice, good camera which can be taken under the water during night time and all that. Just I want to try the things with the gadgets they have. I'm planning to buy new ones, highly sophisticated, expensive cameras and gadgets for vlogging and all that. So there are so many equipments that are available for vlogging. I need to get them one after another, one by one, in your future. These are mangoes, green plants. It is so chill out here. Doesn't look like mid-June summer. It has become like monsoon. I don't know what happened. It was very, 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 very hot during the beginning of June. These are the designs that we make in the front yard. Today is Friday, so she's made a nice, good design in the front yard. She's very good at making this kind of designs. I also will try, but I don't have time to do that. But I'll do it in the near future. This is a happy morning, my dear friends. All the trees, plants have taken a shower. We need to use some bug repellent, insect repellent, mosquito repellent and all that. Some creams or lotions and all that before we go out and take care of ourselves during monsoon. Dresses and all should be dry, as well as we should take some umbrellas and all. When we go out, have to take raincoat, umbrellas and all.